Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to report bugs to the Arrowhead team so that they can fix stuff inside of Helldivers 2. And the simple answer is they have a help desk that is tied to their website, arrowhead.zendesk.com. And I'll put this link in the video description below. And if you find that you have an issue or you found a weird bug with the game, this could be either a technical support bug that's breaking your stuff and you need help, or just an annoying bug that you found that you want to help the developers out in identifying. You can go to this website and submit a request. Using the submit button, fill out this form and let them know about it. So like you can say like, what game do you play? Well, I play Helldivers 2. I found this bug in the ready up screen, and then I'll tell them that I play on PC, and then I can fill this out and all that stuff and let them know about it. I believe you can also go to the Helldivers official Discord and let them know about bugs, but this is probably the better way to do it because then you'll actually know whether or not they acknowledge that the bug exists and that they have responded and said, okay, we'll, take your information. Do you have any other details about what happened? They might ask you for some diagnostic data from your game, and then you're good to go. So that's how you get some help with things going on with Helldivers 2, or pretty much any of the games that Arrowhead makes. You can go to their support site, and if you need help with something, you can submit a ticket and see what they have to say. You can also use this to submit bugs as well. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.